put the bite of your rein underneath your, yep. And which side should it be on? Yep. Always the outside on flat work, hanging to the right in general. Yeah, that's better, Blake. Maya might have ridden in that saddle last. She's like Allie's height. Stretched heel. So Blake, you're on a green horse. It's your job to set rhythm with your seat. Okay? So you may even have to subconsciously count to make sure you stay the same. Keep going. Good, Afton. Emily, check your diagonal. Good. Tight core, Miss Blake.